So then thinking about the history of retail media, I'm sure a lot of CPGs align that with in-store marketing,
Yep.
basically being at the point of purchase,
Mhm.
having some sort of influence. But retail media today is becoming increasingly digital, thinking about the changes in the consumer journey. Monica, could you touch a little bit on the importance of getting ahead of that point of purchase and then having the final touch point before actually scanning the item?
So prior, customers would look in sales, like kiosks for like Sunday papers to look through the sales, and now they're going to Amazon and typing in best TV for me, or they're going to, Best Buy, and both of those retailers have their own in network now because they knew that that data and that customer was looking specifically for that piece. So we're evolutionizing from like really tangible assets, but tangible is now online because they're just experiencing and they want that experience instantly instead of like, oh, okay, well, I'm going to see the sale, I have to make sure the sale's on this period, drive to the store, and then they're like, oh, we're out of stock. It's just that instantaneous type of measurement and also just experience for those consumers. And then POS is still there, but now we have to track it all the way back to first touch, right? So we got to get that brand awareness first, and then be a peer at the checkout and saying, yeah, grab that Snickers bar, or grab that instantaneous purchase at the checkout while they're waiting. So it's not just like siloing from POS or point of sale or digital media, it's growing them together.